Right, so without saying too much, right? I tend to talk a lot, all right, every time. That's why my lessons always cannot finish one. So let's quickly go into the lesson. Okay, come. All right, so this is the first question, right, inside your worksheet, and I'm very happy to tell you guys that out of the 16 students, there's about more than half of you participated in the worksheet. Thank you, children. Thank you so much. You guys are amazing. All right, you need to practice. All right, after you practice, you come for the lesson, then you will be able to absorb better. Good job. Okay, so after some of the lessons, after some of the questions, right, after question 8, all right, we will be going to, sorry, after question 9, we'll be going to something called Kahoot. After question 9, Kahoot, then after that, we'll go into the extra questions. Is that okay? Okay, so that's the plan for today. Okay, let's talk about question 1 first. Packet drinks are sold in packs of 3, and each pack costs $2.50. So look at this. The packet drinks are sold in packet of 3. Look, children, look. Means that this packet, right, is together one. All right. You cannot go to the cold storage or NTUC and you say that, I just want one packet. Can or not? Cannot. All right. You cannot just tear away one packet. Cannot. All right. Because they are sold in sets of 3. All right. So this 3 packet, right, is sold at $2.50 for 3. Hey, but down here got some discount, right? Maybe got Children's Day special, or maybe got the elderly day, right? I think elderly day is on a Tuesday, so they tend to get a bit more discount. All right, there's a discount of 10%. Nice. All right, so this 10% is based on the $2.50. So can we go and find out what's the discount first, children? So discount is actually 10% off the $2.50. Okay, let me check. Yes! Woo! Can use calculator, sorry. Because just now I was teaching the primary 4 class. So primary 4 cannot use calculator. Everything cannot use. So sad. Then imagine I do guess and check, I have to do the working and all this. Right, but primary 5, I love primary 5. Right, because you can use your calculator. So 10% of $2.50, 10% can be written as 10 over 100 times $2.50. And that will give you a what? Press your calculator.
0.25.
Is it? You get what? 0.25? Thank you so much. All right, but 0.25 is what? 25 cents. This is what? This is the discount, children. This is the discount. Can? So how much must you pay? How much must you pay? All right. So every 1 set, $2.50 must minus 25 cents. So $2.25. All right, for a set of 3. For a set of 3 packets. Do you understand? Okay, so that is the promotion. And remember, children, remember, you cannot go and just buy 1 packet. Cannot. Right? Have you been to NTUC before? And have you seen those elderly, right? They like to choose the apples. So they will open up the packaging, then they will transfer all the nice apples into one packaging and put the not so nice apples in the other packaging. Have you seen those before? Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. All right, don't do that. All right, imagine those are blueberries. Wow, that means she'll be spending her entire morning choosing the blueberries. All right, don't do that, children. Okay. All right, so down here, 3 packets, right, will be at $2.25. Eh? This person got how much money? This person got $15. All right, this person got $15. How many sets of $2.25 are there? All right, you got $15. All right, how many sets? How many sets of $2.25 are there? That's the question. All right, so what must you do? Please be willing to divide. Many of you are afraid of division. But with the calculator, come on. All right, you shouldn't be afraid. 15 divided by 2.25. And that will give you a 6. Right? 6 full sets. Right? 6 full sets of 3s. And what's the remainder? All right, what's the remainder? If the question asks you what's the remainder, what must you do? All right, you can actually go and find out first. Down here. What is 6 full sets of 3? 6 times $2.25. That is how much? Right, that will be actually $13.50. So what's the remainder? The remainder will be actually $15 minus $13.50.
$1.
It's actually 150. Very good.
When,
Right, so the remainder is $1.50. Because some of you, you see, some of you press the calculator, you get 6.6. Some of you take the calculator and you press, right? You press 15 divided by 2.25. And you get 6.6666666666666. Some of you get 6 2/3. All right, so children, you must be very careful. This is a what? This is a decimal answer. This is a decimal answer. This is a fraction answer. All right, but this is a what? My answer down here, right? My down here answer is a what? Is it a fraction? Is it a decimal? No, it's a remainder answer. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Because sometimes, right, sometimes you take 6.6666666. So how do you handle this 0.666 portion? This portion, what are you going to do with it? You see? What are you going to do with this? All right. Then you will say, Archer, I round off to 7. All right. You can say, Archer, I want to round off to 7. Can there? Are you sure can? Okay, you're going to take 7 times $2.25. 7 times $2.25 is what? You press your calculator. 7 times $2.25 is equal to $15.75, you know. But you only got $15 like children. Where's your 75 cents? Huh? You go and rob somebody from 75 cents for 75 cents. Cannot be. You go and pick up money from the floor. Huh? Pick up until 75 cents. So where do you get this? Where do you get this 75 cents? That's the question. Children understand or not? So you cannot round up to 7. Cannot. Because you got not enough money. Then how can you buy 0.66666 packet? You cannot also, what? Very weird, right? So children, be very careful. There are 3 kinds of answer down here. One is a decimal answer. One is a fraction answer. And there's one with the remainder one. All right. So be very careful which one you are looking at. The one with the remainder answer will give you the how much that's left over. You can only buy 6 full sets of 3 and you still got $1.50 in your pocket. That's the important thing. Okay? Hey, but the question is asking, how many packets, right? Find the most number of packet. What is the most number of packet? All right. Look. You can buy 6 full sets, right? 6 full sets. One set consists of 3, right? One set equal to 3 drinks, right? 6 full set, 3 times 6, which is 18 packets, no? Do you understand, children? Answer is 18. All right, so some of you got this question wrong, Right, please try to understand what is happening. Like Devin, Evan, Liana, please take a look at this question and must understand that, right? Sometimes you have to work with the remainder one. Right, remainder answer if not fraction, yes. All right, so down here, please do not round it up. No. All right, hey, sure, the $1.50. Can I go and buy 1 packet or not? Cannot. Why? I told you from the start already. This is one set one. You cannot anyhow take a scissors or go and tear. Hey, don't do that. Huh? For example, you like to drink the Vitagen or the Yakult, right? Do you like tear and choose your own like the apple flavor? No, right? So naughty. Just go and buy the 5 that is apple flavor lah. Why have to tear? Correct or not? Right. So please don't go and tear. Don't be like some of the elderlies who are doing that in NTUC. All right. I saw that a lot of times. But I cannot say anything. It's like not my business, you see. Yeah, but it's wrong to do that. Oh, you forgot times 3. Yeah. So you forgot times 3 down here. Yeah, that's also another careless. That's the reason why children, can you see not? When I write all this, right? I write in words. What is the 6? 6 full sets of 3. And the remainder is $1.50. Can you see not? All right, so every single word, right? clearly explain to me what that number represents? Can? Sorry, I'm having a bit of blocked nose. So I'm trying to breathe and talk at the same time through my mouth. So it's a little bit tough, right? Because air have to go in and voice have to come out. Yeah, very difficult. Right, so children, I hope you can understand this question. Very popular. Careful of the decimal answer, fraction answer, and the remainder answer. There are 3 different things. All right, for this type of working in sets one, you have to use the remainder one. Okay? Okay, come. Question 1, done. Woo! Question 2, are you ready? Then you must say, yes, I am. Yeah, you are. Primary 5 not fun one. Right, all my primary 4, they are like singing song and just now. Yeah. Yes, I am. Okay, Ivan. Okay, nice. Okay. So let's go into question 2, all right? Just to let you know that all these PowerPoint, right, will be inside your lesson plan. All right, it will be under your dashboard and all this. You can go and rewatch the lesson again. You can also go and download my beautiful, colorful workings. All right, you can do that. All right. All right, so if you're thinking that I'm going a bit too fast, you must go and look at these recordings now. Okay, question number 2. Let's go. The diagram is made up of 2 triangles. Sure, where got 2 triangles? You blind? I can see more triangles. 1 triangle, 2 triangle. Oh yeah, there's 2 only. Oh! 1, 2, 3 triangle, 4 triangle, 5 triangle. Can you see 5 triangle? So this is what is going to happen in the logic and reasoning. So after your end of year, the revision, right, we are doing something called logic and reasoning, whereby they will be asking you, hey, how many triangles are there? All right, if you say there are 2 triangles only, something wrong with your eye. All right, because there's a small triangle here, there's another triangle down here, there's another triangle down here, then after that, there's another bigger triangle down here, then after that, there's another red triangle down here. Can you see that? So total there's 5 triangles. Can you see that? Okay, so there is the logic and reasoning portion. Wait, let me admit Skylar in first. All right, hey. Ayo, Victoria, yawn so loud. Don't yawn. Ayo. Okay, Skylar, hello, Skylar. My name is Ben Ong here, just to let you know. All right, I'm taking over Miss Rose because she's on leave today. Sure, your favorite math topic? Yes, actually every topic is my favorite. I love angles, I love ratio, I love math. All right, I can do math every day. I know it's a bit crazy. I know. Right, and sometimes when my student ask me difficult questions, right, I get excited. Right, because all these challenging questions actually makes me think. Right, that's why I get a bit excited. Okay, I'm so sorry. I'm just different from you guys. Okay, the diagram is made up of 2 triangles, PQR. PQR is this one, and PSR down here. All right, PQ is equal to QR. PQ is equal to QR. Oh, isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, I remember this drawing. All right, did your teacher draw this for you? The mouse? This is the nose. This is the ears. This is the feelers. This is the eyes. Nice or not? Right, so isosceles triangle means what? Means that down here, right, the ears portion down here, right, must be equal one. You know that? Of course you know. All right, so where's the equal part here? Angle rate, angle rate here, and angle rate down here. Must be equal. All right, because it's the mouse. Cute. Okay. You all don't like my drawing. I feel so hurt. I feel so sad. I draw so nice, y'all. Nobody comment. It's okay. Sorry, drama, Korean drama. All right, so down here, the base, right, the ears down there is the same. All right, it's the same what? Same size. Imagine if the ear one side is bigger and one side is smaller. Imagine Mickey Mouse got one big ear and one small ear. Ayo. Then like that, how? All right, will not be balanced. Then poor Mickey Mouse. Okay? So the red color portion is the same. Read some more. PRQ is 62. PRQ is this little angle down here, angle green. QRS is 50, all right, which is angle black. And PSR is 34, which is up here. You're supposed to find QPS. Where's QPS? You're supposed to find angle, angle blue. QPS out here. Is that okay?